Chuck, these are beautiful. Tell me what you did.
So we get a lot of different things in our rescue basket, as so to speak. And this time of year, and often throughout the year, we get beets. And I love beets. They're so versatile, and they're just so sort of meaty and wonderful. If you just rub them with a bunch of salt and roast them in the oven, they get dense and flavorful. And so I prepared them a number of different ways today. We did a roasted beet carpaccio with just a nice green salad, little apple cider vinegar and olive oil. These are actually braised beet greens to accompany the salad. And I think if it looks good, it tastes good.
I love the way you did that checkerboard. That's great.
Yeah, so the braised beet greens with a little arugula and sliced garlic for this one. Again, another version of beets. We boiled these ones and made a beet and potato and cucumber salad with fresh mint.
That's this?
That's this one here. And then a pistou, which is also just a pesto, French version of a pesto with basil and parsley and a lot of garlic and a little Parmesan cheese and olive oil.
Great.
And then a couple of versions of beet soup. We have a summer beet soup with yogurt and sour cream and lemon juice. And again, to make it a little chunky, the diced beets and potatoes and cucumber. We have Russian peasant food, the real deal borscht, with all the beet greens boiled in the soup, and you get that dark red color from boiling the soup together. Again, I like to make it chunky and add the vegetables back in, garnished with sour cream and fresh dill.
That's the tradition.
That's the one.
Yep.
And then we never know what we're going to get. We get chicken often, so it's just a pan sauteed breast of chicken. We made these potato pancakes with vegetables. I love chutneys. This is a Bengalese tomato chutney, which just makes all the flavors in that dish come together.
Ooh, sounds wonderful.
And lastly, we got a pallet load of apples a couple of weeks ago. I love applesauce. This is one I used to serve in my restaurant, and it's made with leftover red wine. It gives it that deep winey color, and you don't need vinegar in it then or anything else.
And so all of this is made with food that someone didn't want. Somebody considered it surplus.
All
and yet
rescue.
we have all these wonderful meals. Gives me great ideas for what to do at home. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thanks for